Troy hustles everywhere. See, he's the only player that's ever beat me to the podium because he hustles everywhere all the time. 100% hustle, this guy.
Right.
Troy, ito yung highest scoring output mo in a Ginebra uniform, 32 points and 16 in second half. Ano yung motivate sa iyo para sa gameplay na ito?
It's been what's written on the board sa pre-game namin. It's written, be aggressive and be the aggressor. So coming into this game, you know, San Miguel, how big they are, how power team they are, how fast team they are. So we have to limit our errors in the defensive end and execute our system.
Kamusta ba yung naging transition mo from this kind of offense sa Ginebra compared to sa mga teams na nila?
Well, from this game, sa mga last game ko, I think ngayon, I just take the defense giving me. They were really clogging the paint. So, nung binabantayan ako ni Junmar or yung import, talagang linalabas ko sila kasi that's also the game plan to space out the bigs para magkaroon ng lane to attack the paint. And coming into this game, game plan talaga namin is to get to the paint more than the outside.
Ngayon ba mas may mga open looks ka ngayon sa Darius Daniels, Justin, RP, Paul?
Mas na-space out ko yung sarili ko sa kasi lahat binabantayan. So hindi alam kung sino yung i-score sa amin.